What is up YouTube, Bronze Tech here with a new RTX build, and this is going to include a RTX 3070. I got the Zotac Twin Edge overclocked version, and this will be a beast. I looked at the performance benchmarks of the 3070 and I wanted to try it in my RTX case. I do love RTX cases because they are like form-fitting and they can fit in small places easily. I am coming from a Dan A4, so this is a little bit bigger, coming in around 16 liters. The Dan A4 is coming in around 7 liters, so I'll be doing a comparison on that as well. And the interesting thing about this case is that you can mount the GPU vertically or horizontally, so we'll see which has the better temperatures, and let's see how this performs thermally. Now I love how the Zotac Edge does come in a smaller form-fitting size. It comes in 2 fans. There are other 3070s that come in 3 fans, and I wanted to get one that had a little bit smaller size, but it was very difficult to secure. It's just really ridiculous that we are in these times where people are camping out for these graphics cards, but I was able to buy mine online thanks to the help of Discord. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna pop this sucker right in. So my build includes the Ryzen 5 3600 processor, a ASRock Fatality B450 ITX motherboard, a gigabyte of an SSD, 16 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance LPX low profile RAM. I opted to switch for an ITX cooler. I got the Azatec 645 LT that came with the Dan A4. So let's see how this build works out. So as you just saw, I put the graphics card in the horizontal orientation, and that allowed the temperatures to reach up to 71 degrees. And with a GPU riser, I was able to change it to a vertical orientation, which gained about 1 to 2 degrees as far as temperature goes. So really not much of a difference. But keep in mind, this is also with no extra fans. The Azatec cooler was the only radiator that had a fan on it, and it kept the CPU cool at 72 degrees. So the RTX 3070 Founders Edition actually scores a little bit higher than the aftermarket Zotac Twin Edge overclocked version, and that's kind of saying something. Maybe there was limits put on the Zotac card, but in my opinion, it's not worth spending an extra $50 to get this Zotac card. Still, you're getting great performance, and here in Assassin's Creed Valhalla, I have these benchmarks, so you're still getting great performance, especially for 1440p gaming. So in conclusion, this is one of the best RTX cases that you can get right now. It's really cheap and looks really good, and it has really good build quality. And the RTX 3070 is definitely something that can fit in this, and even the 3-slot versions or the 3070s that have 3 fans, you're going to be able to fit it in this case. In addition, I could have fit a larger radiator, but I mean, since I'm coming from a Dan A4 case, all my parts were a little bit smaller and didn't really require the larger space that the Cooler Master afforded. So overall, I can recommend this case if you're looking for something cheap, and if you can't find the highly sought after, more expensive cases that are out in the market today. So I hope you like this video. Go ahead and give it a like, and if you like my content, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification button so you guys can stay updated. And again, as always, peace out.